Hi, I'm Stephen Washington, and I teach a combination of Qigong and Pilates that I call Core Qigong. In this video, I will be teaching you an eye exercise to soothe and restore tired eyes. Remember, listen to your body, do what you can, and don't do what you can't. If anything feels uncomfortable, stop and modify the movement to suit your body. Okay, let's get started. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to grab your chair again. But for you also, this could be you in your bedroom doing this practice just before bed and having a seat on your bed. And we're just going to take a moment to move the eyes, pay a little attention to the eyes. Our eyes do so much for us each and every day. At the end of a long day, the eyes can be tired. So we're just going to move the eyes with awareness and with breath as I invite you to just gaze forward and then slowly gaze up towards the ceiling. And as you do so, just be gentle. Try not to force the movement of the eyes. Just taking your vision up. And then you're going to slowly begin to circle the eyes. So we're going to go up and then over. And gazing with your peripheral vision to the sides. And then down as if your eyes are following the hands of a clock. And then up towards the sky again. And let's do that again. We're just going to go 3 times in each direction. Take your time. Don't forget to breathe. And just notice any parts of this movement where you feel challenged. And you can even pause at that point and just work that area, the range of motion, and gaze up to the sky, gaze forward, and gently close your eyes for a moment. Allow the eyes to rest for a moment. Open your eyes again, gazing on the horizon, and then lifting the eyes up, and then go in the opposite direction. Take your time. This is a wonderful way to strengthen your eyes, as well as relieve any tension you may be holding in the eyes. And one last circle around. And the next time your gaze is up towards the sky, you'll gaze forward and gently close your eyes. Go ahead and bring the palms of your hands together. Rub them. Create a little heat with your hands. And then form little cups with your hands and then place the cupped hands over the eyes. And with the eyes closed, just absorb the warmth of the hands. And just enjoy this moment of darkness. And quiet. And relax your arms down. Okay.